What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel, man. And today I feel bad because I have been neglecting the Camaro a little bit, man. I haven't did an oil change since the last video that I showed you guys with the break-in miles, with the 500 miles, and then you're supposed to do it again with 1,500 miles. And right now the car is at 3,200 miles, and I haven't had an oil change since then. But major shout out to Autozone, man. So if y'all a DIY person and you guys like doing your oil changes yourself, they got a deal on the Mobile One ESP. Like all of this right here that I paid for was like $40, man. $40 for 5 quarts. So it was $80 for this whole setup here, and it comes with the filter too. If they see the wrong filter, you can go back to AutoZone and get another one that you need. Are you good to go? If you guys don't know, oil change for our car is expensive. I think if you go to the dealership, they're gonna charge you about $130, $160 for full synthetic, and you can do it for half the price at your house if you know what you're doing, man. So we're about to put it in the car, and then we're about to go for a ride. Say though, like for real, this is the first time I ever been underneath my car. I didn't do this much on my last Camaro, but this is crazy, like doing my first oil change. But hey, this the progress. I gotta do this because if I'm out at the track, I need to learn how to jack my car up, and I'm glad I made it this far. For real, for real. Man, just looking at that joint, it's black. And like that, guys, the first oil change I ever done is in the books and on the Camaro, man. So all I gotta do now is just start it up. And that's it, man. That's how you do an oil change. I wasn't gonna just tell you guys how to do it because there's plenty of videos, some good videos on people doing it already. I just want to document it to prove that I done my first oil change, and I did. So all I gotta do is start it up, dispose the oil that I got here in the container, dump this, and we out. So I'll see you guys in the next video.